My name is Benjamin Ofori-Okai. I'm currently going into my third year of grad school in the chemistry department at MIT. It's the goal of science to say, we have something that we don't understand, let's figure out how it works. And that is all that I've wanted to do. The earliest thing that I can remember is this old TV. There's this old, tiny black and white TV that we had on this stand. And I took it apart kind of by accident, meaning I broke it. I'd always wondered how people got in the TV. And then when you took it apart and there were no people, there was no stage, there was nothing, it's how did they get in there? I was taking this one math class in undergrad in my very beginning, the very first year of my undergrad. I'd always been really good at math. I'd always really liked math. But this class totally kicked my ass. Maybe I'm not actually as good at this as I thought I was. My dad always says, make sure that you work hard and that you have fun and everything will be fine after that. And so I looked around and I tried to remember what it was about math that really excited me and what it was that had always kept me going. And I always really wanted to do some sort of application-y thing with it. I really liked being able to calculate something that was meaningful, to calculate something that was useful. So I was taking organic chemistry, I was taking physics, and I got to the end of my physics class, and the professor started talking about quantum mechanics. The week before, we'd been talking about these wave functions in alkene chains, and I had absolutely no idea what the guy was talking about, but I was I'm just gonna draw the picture in my notebook and I'll figure this out later or whatever. And all of a sudden, here in physics, using this math that I learned a year ago, we were talking about these things that I thought were really, really cool in chemistry, and I was I know what I'm gonna do. Finally, my worlds got to collide and I got to do something that I really enjoyed. If you're considering, a career in science, and you don't think that you can do it, chances are that you actually can. You just have to, there are going to be times where you may not feel like you're going to be capable, but the truth is that you actually are. You just have to step back, take a deep breath, remember who you are, where you came from, and don't worry about it so much. As my dad would say, work hard and have fun. That's about it.